Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your data internet problem if it is not working in your Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings. Now click on this SIM card and mobile network, and here you will see this SIM 2. You can see, just tap on this and you can see here it is SIM 2, and when you just scroll down you will see here it is access point name. You can do is reset your network, so it will fix your network issues. First you can just turn on this airplane mode for 10 seconds to refresh your network. It is a very small process. You can just turn off, and if it is not refreshing you can just go to this access point name APN. Then you have to click on three dots and click on reset to default, and it is now resetted. And you can just also reset your setting if there is any bug or any problem. You can just fix this by clicking on apps. Click on see all apps. Here it is, type here settings, just clear cache and clear data. And you can just remove your SIM card also if it is not properly inserted, so you have to insert it properly. It will fix your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.